mastermind that I'm in right now.
Yeah.
So the way I joined that, let's take it back like 4 months before I go. I get a call from Kent Clothier. He's like, hey, come check out my Billionaire Boardroom Mastermind. If you like it, you can join. If not, cool. You can fly back home. Like 2 weeks before that, I had my friend Alex on, and he's one of the largest wholesalers in the country. And then I brought on his partner who runs a company called Lamso Leads and Lamso Media. And they run a cold calling company too. But I bring them on. They happen to be a part of that mastermind. I go down to that mastermind.
Right.
I'm already with them. They know me, right? And so I get to go out with them the whole time. They're like the top of that mastermind.
Right.
Automatically tap into their brand, right? Going out with them and everything else. So one night we all go out, fucking spending 20,000 plus at the club. Going hard. I'm doing a fuck ton of mushrooms. Everyone else is doing copious amounts of drugs.
Right.
I meet this guy named Los, who's now a really, really good friend of mine.
Okay.
I'm talking to him. I talk to him until like 8 a.m. in the morning. I am talking to him.
Right.
I end up joining his mastermind. And like I'm talking to him. I would have never met him. Him and Josh own a mastermind called Powerhouse. Josh is 20 years old and he makes over $100 million a year.
Okay, damn. Jeez.
I would have never met Los if I wouldn't have brought those two in my mastermind.
That's crazy.
Right? And then like all those doors open for me and I got to, then when I go to that mastermind with Josh and Los, who am I with the whole time? I'm with Los, because Los is my friend.
That is cool.
Everyone else in that mastermind joined for him, but I know Los. It's the meetup, and then like I was like, oh shit, we can't bring anybody to come talk at the meetup anymore.
Right.
I might as well just do it on Facebook Live. So I do it on Facebook Live, and I bring people on, then I just eventually turned it into a podcast.